Since the Fishrot matter broke in 2019, it has continued to face hurdles. The trial has been marred by numerous interlocutory applications, failed bail applications, and lengthy postponements. Judge Moses Chinhengo was appointed last year. His assignment to preside over this matter, one that has garnered immense public attention and media interest. Chinhengo started with the trial late November last year. The defendants, however, wanted yet another postponement, and this time the reason for the postponement request was to allow them time to sort out their financial affairs and to secure legal representation. But Judge Chinhengo would not entertain their application. The judge decided to proceed with the trial and started with the plea process, entering a not guilty plea for accused persons who were without legal representation. It was then when he was slapped with a recusal application by Van Wyk, and this application brought to a halt the plea process. But legal minds who spoke on NBC's Wheels of Justice explained that in order for an accused person to bring forward a recusal application, such an applicant must believe that the judge will not be reasonable.
The reasons you are saying that the judge should recuse themselves, they must also be able to be said that they are reasonable reasons. So it's a lay person or any person with a reasonable mind that has a reasonable belief that the matter would not be able to go on without a judge being impartial.
Should in this event Judge Chinhengo agree with his recusal application, a new judge will be appointed to the matter, but that does not necessarily mean that the matter will start afresh and may continue where Chinhengo left off. But what happens in the event Chinhengo decides to stay?
Is either you appeal the said decision to the Supreme Court, or then the matter can be taken on review. Obviously, now the difference being to determine whether on review, whether there were any flaws in the process of the said judge coming to the said conclusion, or an appeal to say where are there other considerations that were omitted from the said process.
Do the reasons brought forward by Van Wyk and his legal team have sufficient grounds for a recusal?
So not each and every event or issue form the basis of a recusal. I mean, a judge can take a certain decision, and you can either take that decision on review or appeal just such a decision. So it doesn't mean that if the judge takes a certain position, then the judge tends to have to recuse him or herself.
During the proceedings of the recusal application, none of Van Wyk's co-accused supported him in his bid to remove Chinhengo, but it was former Fisheries Minister Saki Shangala who raised issue with Chinhengo's appointment, saying that he has written to President Nangolo Mbumba, raising concern about the age, nationality and constitutionality of Chinhengo's appointment. Shangala also informed the court that he will file a formal application with the High Court. Emil Sebeb, NBC News, Windhoek.